So I'm Graham Campbell. I'm a psychiatrist, and I worked in the NHS for 15 years, and half of that time was as a consultant psychiatrist for men in a psychiatric hospital. But I've also had depression and anxiety myself, and so I've had personal experience of mental health challenges as well. Generally, I think men tend to present quite late. I think that people find it hard to open up. They find it hard to reach out and share their feelings. And I think if men, do go to someone and open up and confide, I think it needs to be taken really seriously, because that might only be the tip of the iceberg. And men sometimes present in a different way. They don't often come to you saying that they feel low or they feel anxious. It might be that men present with substance misuse difficulties. It might even be that men become more irritable, agitated, aggressive or violent, angry. And that can be, certainly with depression and anxiety, that can be one of the main features of their presentation. I think there's a lot of social pressure for men to be strong, to be dominant, to be resilient. There's a lot of pressure to earn the money, to kind of ensure that, there's all these traditional roles that men have to inhabit, really. And so that pressure builds up, and that can make it really hard for people to say, actually, I'm struggling, or I need help, because that feels quite shaming. I think for men, actually going to the GP or going to find a counselor or a therapist, these are sometimes really huge steps that a lot of men feel are not the right thing for them, even if they are really suffering. And so I think the more opportunity there is for connection in society and community, to avoid isolation, spaces where, like men's groups or any activity that promotes people being together, men being together, maybe without the need for alcohol or anything like that, but be able to actually talk and open up about their feelings, I think is a really valuable thing. So one of the bravest things that men can do is actually to connect with other people, other men, to share feelings, to be able to open up. And I think, turning that around and recognizing that bravery, I think, is really crucial.